handles this with his household of Brother Matt.
Hey Josh, nice to see you again. How are you?
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
I'm pretty good.
It's
Thank
good
you
to see
for
you too.
asking. I was just coming back to discuss the question that we talked about last week. To what extent does God pay attention to us as individuals? And I have a scripture that you might find interesting in Matthew 10, 29 through 31. Would you read that?
Sure. It says, 2 sparrows sell for a coin of small value, do they not? Yet not one of them will fall to the ground without your Father's knowledge. But even the hairs of your head are all numbered. So have no fear, you are worth more than many sparrows.
Yeah, so what does it say in verse 29 that God notices about each sparrow?
Well, even if one falls to the ground, so even if one dies, I would assume.
That's right, he does notice when each one falls to the ground. And even crazier to think, what does he notice in the next verse about us?
Well, each of our hairs on our heads is even numbered.
That's right. What are your thoughts on that?
You know, I never really noticed that before, even in reading that scripture. So it's actually kind of assuring to know that God looks at us.
Yeah, it really is. It definitely shows how much he cares about us as individuals. Next week, I'd like to come back and discuss the question, how do we know that God understands us? And I'd also like to share another Bible verse that discusses that.
Yeah, that sounds good. I'll see you then.
Okay.